Shantiniketan, the abode of peace, where art meets nature. While glistening in all its glory and the onset of Posh Mela got us going one fine morning to catch a train and end up at Shantiniketan.